According to Logan Goldie Scott, head of clean power research at Bloomberg NEF, Tesla's advances have resulted in industry-leading energy densities, which refers to the amount of energy stored in a single battery unit. In 2016, Tesla launched the Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada, a specialized large-scale battery production that the company claims became the world's highest volume battery plant in 2018. Tesla assembles the battery cells into packs and modules for its vehicles. Panasonic manufactures the battery cells. Most other major EV manufacturers outsource battery production to businesses like LG Chem of South Korea, which announced a joint venture with General Motors in December to develop a battery manufacturing factory in Northeast Ohio. All of this expertise and edge helped create the motor for the Tesla Model S Plaid, their fastest car yet. Elon Musk suggested a hotter, higher RPM version of Tesla's new Plaid carbon-wrapped electric motor that would debut with the next-generation Roadster in June 2021. The Plaid motor is built on cutting-edge technology that allows Tesla to create motors that are smaller, more powerful, and more efficient than ever before. It's tiny enough to be carried by one person, yet it has crazy power and torque. During the presentation, Musk said Tesla developed a new machine to build the new motor. He elaborated on this in a series of tweets. Fiber is wound over rotor at high-tension load. Machine to do this was made by Tesla Automation. Carbon sleeve must put copper rotor in compression or it loosens at low temp due to differential thermal expansion. Preload is also helpful for maintaining precise gap to stator. Main advantage of this is much stronger EM field compared with a rotor that's held together by metal, usually high-strength steel, Musk continued. Other advantage is that rotor can go to higher RPM, as carbon sleeve mostly stops copper rotor from expanding due to radial acceleration. Of course, when Tesla unveils new and improved technologies, it frequently alludes to something much more exciting in the works. The Plaid carbon-wrapped motor is arguably the most advanced motor on Earth outside of maybe a lab somewhere. We have to keep some secrets, tweeted Musk. We have a few ideas for increasing torque and max RPM even further for new Roadster. Definitely fun and exciting engineering ahead. According to Motor Trend, there's a possibility that the manufacturer may introduce a quad-motor Model S Plaid in the future, as remarkable as it is now. A Tesla Model S with a quad-motor system will increase the premium electric sedan's power and traction. The current Model S Plaid already has a 0 to 96 km/h time of under 2 seconds. The car will be even quicker with a quad-motor layout. 3 electric motors are included in the current Tesla Model S Plaid. 2 of these power each back wheel, while 1 generates energy for the front right wheel at the front axle. The electric powertrain produces 1,020 horsepower and 1,423 Newton-meters of torque. This translates to 340 horsepower and 474.33 Newton-meters of torque for each motor. A quad-motor Model S Plaid might be a reality in the near future, with the manufacturer upping its game and continually striving to set new milestones. Adding a 4th motor will have some drawbacks as well. The additional weight of the 4th motor will raise the car's total weight, reducing range. This will further lower the size of the frunk. Aside from that, there will be an increase in cost and complexity. On the other hand, Elon Musk and his firm are known for their relentless pursuit of new heights. In that situation, a quad-motor Model S from Tesla may be released in the future.